Friends, today I'm going to show that how to find user ID and channel ID on YouTube. Friends, to find out user ID and channel ID on YouTube is an easy process. Friends, you have to follow whole video. Don't miss anything, my friends. And after watching this video, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, first I want to go on desktop mode, because you have to make desktop mode, my friends, in a browser where you want to log in your YouTube channel and you want to see your user ID and channel ID. So I want to see on Safari browser on my iPhone, so I have to make it. But if you want to see your user ID and channel ID on Google Chrome browser, then you have to make it desktop mode from over there, my friends, right? But Safari browser, there has no default desktop mode, my friends, of Safari browser, right? So I have to make it from the settings. So friends, for this I have to go on settings. Then I have to go on Safari browser. After that I have to scroll down. Then tap on request desktop website. Turn on this one, my friends. Then go back. Now, my friends, I want to go on Safari browser and I want to go on youtube.com. After that, my friends, you have to log in here, right? Then you have to tap on the logo at the top right corner. After that, tap on settings, my friends, from here. Minimize a little bit. And as you can see at the top left, there is account, right? Just tap on account, then tap on view advanced settings from here. Zoom out a little bit. See, my friends. Now there is user ID and channel ID. If you want to make it copy the user ID, just tap on here to make it copy and see ID copy to clipboard, right? Again, if you want to make copy channel ID, just tap on here to copy and it will be copied. So friends, like this, if you want, you can find out user ID and channel ID on YouTube. Friends, to find out user ID and channel ID on YouTube, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in the comment box. I'll try to give an answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.